Let's have an honest talk about narcissism, you guys. Not the clickbait type, not that version that floats around on social media. I want to have the deeper psychological and spiritual reality of it conversation, you guys. Narcissism is destructive, yes. When self-protection hardens into pride, when control replaces compassion, it breeds cruelty and spiritual decay. Yes, that's what happens when the heart turns inward, worshiping image over integrity and power over love. Yes. Yet narcissism lives on a spectrum from trauma-driven survival patterns to the rigid personality that truly harms others. And until we understand that spectrum, we'll keep confusing, you guys, wounded protection with willful manipulation. Yes. Okay? That's what I want to talk to you guys about today on Trauma Talks. In this teaching, we will look at narcissism through 3 lenses: science, soul, and spirit. You'll see where it begins, how it flows up or shows up in leadership and relationships. Most importantly, how the truth, accountability, and healing can coexist. Okay? Because narcissism runs on the spectrum, you guys. From wounded ego to true healing is what we want to accomplish in this 7-part series on Trauma Talks, you guys. Okay, so let's get into it, okay? What narcissism really is. Yes, narcissism isn't self-love, okay? I'm a licensed clinical social worker. I can tell you that it is not self-love. It is self-rejection, wearing the mask of confidence. Yes, it begins when a child learns that love is earned, not given. That being admired feels safer than being authentic. Yes. So they build an image, competent, polished, unshakable image. Yes. But beneath that image is a nervous system that never stops scanning for shame. Yes, never stops scanning for shame, okay? And shame is always coming up in their bodies, okay? The silent belief sounds like this, you guys. If I can't be loved for who I am, I'll be admired for what I do. Yes. That's the way they think of this, okay? So every compliment becomes proof of safety. Every criticism feels like a threat. And the body stays in fight or flight protection, a fragile sense of worth. Yes, that's what the body does. It stays in that constant state, you guys. That's why narcissism isn't one label. It's a spectrum, you guys. On one end lives the wounded achiever who overperforms to stay accepted. Yes. And on the other, the hardened ego that controls and devalues others. Yes. Those are the spectrums of this, okay? So understanding that full range is vital, you guys. It's vital because compassion without truth enables abuse. Yes. You don't want to have empathy without truth. It's going to run into abuse. And truth without compassion, yes, it misses the wound beneath it. We need both. Grace for the history and accountability for the harm. Yes, that's what we need, you guys. So let's get into this a little further, okay? All right. This is Trauma Talks. My name is Krystal Boothe, and I want to get into part 2 in the next video. So I want you guys to stay tuned for part 2. Would you like me to go deeper into this and do some empathy exercises? Why don't you drop a comment below and let me know what you would like to see me do in the next video, okay? And what you would like to learn how to heal this narcissistic trauma issue.